Hi, Orion Group presents Orion Signature Valley. Orion Signature Valley is located in Mysore Main Road, Bidadi, near Coca-Cola Company, Bangalore. So, Orion Signature Valley is BMICAPA approved layout. BMICAPA approved means Bangalore Mysore Infrastructure Corridor Area Planning Authority has approved Orion Signature Valley. All the owners who are going to own a site in Orion Signature Valley will get individual E khatas. Price per square feet is 4,499 rupees per square feet. Yes, you heard it right. Per square feet will cost you around 4,499 rupees. So, note, east and north facing sites will cost you around 5% extra. Similarly, corner sites will cost you around 10% premium. Coming to the connectivity, Orion Signature Valley is just around 10 minutes away from Bangalore Mysore highway. Orion Signature Valley is just around 15 minutes away from Kengeri metro station. So let's do the calculation for around 30-40 site. The 30-40 site will cost you around 53 lakhs 98,000 rupees. The SR value is around 3,800 rupees. The total SR value of a site for 30-40 will be working out to 45 lakhs 60,000 rupees. Bank is going to fund 70% on the SR value, which is going to work out for 31 lakhs 92,000 rupees. Customer should make a down payment of around 22 lakhs 6,800 rupees. So all the major leading banks will give a loan since this is a Ekata property. For more information regarding Orion Signature Valley, you can reach out to us on 9980 12790. Thanks.